Hey students, this is Mr. Boyd. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to find percent decrease. Now to find percent increase, it's pretty much the same thing except you just have an increase instead of a decrease. So let's jump right into this problem. A car is discounted from its original price of $21,000 to $18,000. What is the percent of decrease? So we saw in an earlier lesson that to find percent change, we need to take the difference and divide that by the original price, or the original amount. Okay? So the percent change, the difference is 21,000 minus 18,000. That's the amount of change, or the difference. And then the original amount was 21,000. So 21,000 minus 18,000 would be a difference of $3,000. And we need to divide that by the $21,000 to find that percent. So let me open my calculator, and we'll take 3,000 and divide that by 21,000. And that gives us a decimal of 0.14. Now to change a decimal back to a percent, we just need to either multiply by 100 or move the decimal 2 places to the right. So when we move that two places to the right, we find that the percent decrease equals 14%. Guys, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel where you can access more videos like this.